Welcome to my YouTube channel AsadTech Edge, where you are going to explore the AI innovations and future technologies. Imagine a world where technology reshapes the way we live, work, and interact. The future is closer than you think. In this video, we'll explore 5 groundbreaking technologies that are set to transform our world by 2030. These innovations promise to revolutionize industries and improve lives in ways we've never imagined. Let's move to the technologies. The first technology on our list is quantum computing. It uses the principles of quantum mechanics to achieve immense processing power. This revolutionary approach can solve complex problems in seconds, making it invaluable in fields like medicine, finance, and cryptography. For instance, Google's Sycamore quantum computer has already achieved quantum supremacy, solving tasks that were once impossible. Next, move to second technology. To brain-computer interfaces BCIs, it connect the brain directly to external devices, allowing for seamless communication and control. This technology holds incredible potential, from assisting people with disabilities to enhancing learning and enabling telepathic communication. A prominent example is Neuralink, a company led by Elon Musk, which is pushing the boundaries of this field. Let's move to third technology, renewable energy innovations. These innovations are transforming how we power the world. Advances in solar, wind, and energy storage technologies are driving us closer to carbon neutrality and combating climate change. For example, Tesla's Megapack offers large-scale energy storage solutions, ensuring a sustainable and reliable power supply. Next technology is transformative technology. It is advanced robotics, which involves robots capable of performing complex human-like tasks. These robots are revolutionizing industries like healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. Boston Dynamics is a leader in this space, with robots like Spot and Atlas demonstrating exceptional capabilities in navigation, agility, and problem-solving. Next technology. Finally, we have autonomous vehicles, including self-driving cars and drones, which are set to redefine transportation. These vehicles promise safer and more efficient travel by reducing human error. Companies like Tesla, with its full self-driving FSD system, and Waymo are leading the charge in this revolutionary field. From quantum computers to self-driving cars, these technologies are reshaping our world faster than we could have imagined. If you're excited about the future and want to stay updated on the latest in technology and innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AsadTech Edge for more tech insights. Thank you for watching.